opening an LOL Supplies Glam glitter. And if you see on the big ball, there's like a little big, huge face of an LOL. I really like the outfit though, and it comes with 7 surprises. These 2 things, I don't really know. They're both stickers, but yeah. Bottle shoes, tops, the bottoms, and like a bag, headband, anything, and it comes with a doll. So let's get started and open it up. I think it's an angel. Hold it.
Yep.
It looks like the front. Okay, I really feel like it's a thing. I'll show you that later. I feel like it's an angel.
It's over there. There. Let me see this creature.
Look at me.
Oh, okay, it's meant to be this way.
So, it's sugar! And it color changes. And hearts are ultra rare, the stars are rare, and she's not rare.
She's coming.
Yeah. Then let's get her dressed. So this is the reveal.
Ta-da!
Although the headband doesn't really fit, but it is. And the bit that I was talking about before, and I said I will show you guys, is that I'll take off the shoes. This.
You pulled the baby's head off.
Yeah. Put that there. Put that there. Oh gosh. Put that there. Put that there. There. Right there. No. Right there. Put that there. No. There. No. Okay. What? That can go nowhere. And this is gonna be her seat.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Now we just need ice and water. I'm just saying fine. But I'll do that. I'm not gonna do that now. It's just that I like the way she is. And it's a big surprise for you when you open yours. Bye guys, and please like and subscribe, and
Thanks for watching.
thanks for watching as well. Bye.